Today, I want to talk about the best WordPress theme for beginners. I will show you why Divi is a great choice, how its drag and drop builder works, and what makes it easy for someone just starting. At the end, I'll point you to a link in the description if you want to try Divi for yourself. When you start with WordPress, one of the hardest parts is picking a theme and making it look the way you want. Most themes look nice but give very little flexibility. To change layouts or styles, you often need custom code or extra plugins, which can feel frustrating if you are not a developer. Divi makes this much easier. It has a built-in visual builder where everything works by drag and drop. You can move sections, rows, and modules directly on the page and see changes right away. For beginners, this feels natural and saves a lot of time. Another big advantage is Divi's library of ready-made layouts. Instead of designing from scratch, you can choose a layout for a business site, a blog, or a shop, and then replace the text and images with your own. Divi also takes care of mobile design automatically. Every layout is responsive, and you can preview how it looks on desktop, tablet, or phone. If something needs adjusting, like font size or spacing, you can do it quickly with no coding. On top of that, Divi includes modules for text, images, buttons, galleries, and more, so you don't need a lot of extra plugins. It also has a large community and plenty of tutorials, which makes learning step by step much easier. Overall, Divi is one of the best themes for beginners because it is simple, visual, and flexible. It helps you build a professional-looking site without technical stress. If you want to try Divi, check the link in the description.